Hey y'all, I'm still here in my kitchen and I'm still on the way to my exercise class, but I thought I can squeeze in one more recipe, and that recipe is honey butter biscuits. Who don't like a honey butter biscuit? Now I'm going to start with my flour. I've got baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar, just a little bit of sugar. And the honey I'm using today, I decided to use the Paula Deen Orange Blossom honey. I just adore this honey. The orange just gives it, it's like an iced tea, you know, the orange pico tea. It just gives it so much flavor. Now I've got my butter that's cut up in the cubes. Oops, it tried to get away from me, but ain't no butter leaving me. All right, so I'm just going to cut this in until it resembles coarse meal. I'll share with y'all a little tip. It takes a minute to get that butter to a coarse state. So when you first start cutting in your butter, you're going to need to keep you a spatula close by and then pull it out because it'll get all stuck in there. So you just keep doing it. But mine's ready, so you see while I'll show you. I've got it fine enough that it's not sticking. 2 little pieces of butter got caught in there, but that's perfectly good. All right, so I've got my buttermilk, and I'm going to add it to my honey. And then I'm going to add that to our flour. We incorporate those 2 things real good. That looks good enough to drink right there, Teresa. I can't drink buttermilk, but I do love it in dressings. Love it, love it. All right, so I'm going to add my honey buttermilk. So I'm going to put this out on my counter. And then I'm going to pour my dough out. And I'm going to knead this for a couple of minutes. I don't want to over knead it. This dough looks really good. So you can roll this out or you can pat it. I'm just going to pat it. And I don't think I've got a biscuit cutter over here. Teresa?
We're going to have to break for a second. We'll be right back.
Oh, here, I got some.
Okay. That was easy.
Let's see. Yes. This is the new biscuit cutter that's in the stores now, in the Paula Deen stores. Isn't that neat? But this one's a little smaller, so. Oh, that's a pretty biscuit, y'all. I don't care what y'all say. That's a pretty biscuit. All right, now I'm using my hoe cake pan to pass me that spatula, please. Ooh, it's nasty. I'm going to use my hoe cake pan, and I heated me up a little butter. Because a little butter don't hurt a biscuit. These are beautiful, beautiful biscuits. I like my biscuits touching each other because I like a soft center. So I took my extra that I had from the first go around and I kneaded it back together again. So 2, 4, 6, 7. Is that 7? 2, 4, 6, 7. And I think I can get one more. Beautiful. My grandma Hires used to put that thumbprint in them. So in the oven, a regular home oven, it calls for 400 degrees because I'm putting it in that hot baby right there. I'm going to lower ours to about 350. And now I'm going to flip these so they'll have butter all over them. Y'all picking up what I'm putting down? I hope I'm not messing them up. I've never flipped them before, but I just like the idea of butter being on all sides. So here we go. Depending on your oven, when they rise and they're brown, you know they're ready. All right, there are our biscuits, y'all, all nice and toasty brown. Now I'm just gonna mix up a little honey butter. And it's that simple to make honey butter. I love making different flavors of butter because, like the girl said, butter just makes it better. All right. Ooh. 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 Teresa, can I butter you one?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there you go. Here's urine. And it's hot, hot, hot. It almost looks like from kneading it, my dough was in layers. You know?
This is going to give you a lot of energy for working out. Just so I want you to know.
That's my story, and I'm sticking with it, honey. The story you telling. Oh, yum. And I think I might need more butter on yours. Oh, no, it looks pretty. It looks pretty buttery. Here we go. Mm. It's so good. And this would also be good, y'all, with syrup. Like a syrup biscuit. I can't have enough honey. Mm. I think I'm going to need to work out. What y'all think? Oh, ow, that's so hot. Well, one more bite and then I'm leaving for my workout. I'm not going to eat this whole thing, Teresa. Maybe just half. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.